Hello, it's me. I feel like I should get like a stand or something. Okay, 1 second. Coming soon. It has been, a year since my last YouTube video, so that's pretty cool. I've been doing lots of sewing projects. Also started some clear braces, so you know, that's cool. And like every other human on this planet during quarantine, you know, just spending 4 hours a night on TikTok, so that's like really cool. Anyway, I was just thinking about my YouTube channel. Yeah, I'm kind of bad at updating it, but I also really like it, and I was just thinking about it. Kind of one of those moments where you decide, you know, practice kind of what you preach. I actually manage a handful of social media accounts, like, for a living. And I always tell them, you know, done is better than perfect. And really, I think that actually applies to me, so maybe I should take some of my own medicine into account. So anyway, I don't know, I guess I was just seeing what you guys kind of thought about, I don't know, maybe just more of a vlog format versus something that is a tutorial of sorts. Still a vlog format, very much sewing related. Maybe expanding upon my, you know, what I'm kind of doing over on TikTok. So I don't know, I guess I could have like fixed my hair like now that I'm looking at it. I'm trying the new, let me back up here. Don't worry, I'm just knocking things over. Okay, the new, oh my god, can I just fix my hair? Okay, there we go. The new tank top shoulder pad trend. I don't know, the shoulder pads might come out, but it's from Zara. This would be like the easiest thing in the world to make. So if you guys like it, if you think it's cute, I guess I could do a tutorial on that, minus the shoulder pads, because I actually don't think I'm super wild about them. This is like not working, because I feel like you can't see that it's cute. See? It's cute, right? Anyway, I don't know. I guess let me know what you guys think. We can go totally vlog format and just talk about my sewing projects, I guess, in more detail? I don't know. All right, I guess I'm totally rambling now. Or maybe I should show you something. I am working on making like a ridiculous dress. You know, like the strawberry dress, and not the strawberry dress, but in particular, but I just feel like this style of dress, you know, with like a long skirt, is pretty popular right now. So I'm making some modifications to Orange Lingerie's Esplanade bra, I think it is. Initially it has a back panel that's made from power mesh, that's cool, power mesh, and instead I've decided to make it longer. I'm gonna put interfacing on both sides and do grommets instead. So I have quite a bit left to do. I have boning to put in, I have interfacing to put in, I have channels to put in. I gotta figure out how to attach these straps, and then the garments, and then the tie, and then figuring out a bottom for this guy. I think I'm just gonna make some like fashion fabric bias tape. So anyway, yeah, long time no see. I guess things are pretty different since we chatted last. So now I have truly rambled on for 5 minutes, and I think that's enough. So yeah, let me know what you guys think, and talk to you soon. Bye.